Hi, my name is Amanda. I am a senior CX associate at Terra Kaffe, and today we are going to be making a pistachio and rose latte. So to start, we are going to add about a tablespoon of honey to our glass. We'll just pour that right in. And then we're gonna brew 2 shots of espresso directly on top of the honey to help it melt into the espresso. And once your espresso is finished brewing, you're just gonna add about a teaspoon of rose water to your cup. And then from there, we are gonna use a bar spoon or really any spoon that you have to just kind of stir that honey into the espresso and make sure it's nice and, incorporated. And now we can pour it right over ice. And from there, we can just pour our favorite pistachio milk, any kind you want. This is a nice sort of creamer for added froth. And then we can just garnish it with some dried rose petals. Rob, do you want to come try it?
Sure. Do I eat the roses too?
You can if you want to.
Oh my gosh, it's so herbaceous, yet sweet.
I really love it for spring if you're looking for a nice floral drink, and I really enjoy the pairing of the pistachio with the rose. I think it's a great classic just flavor combo.
Great work.
Thank you. And there you go. We have our pistachio and rose iced latte.